All right, it has been a couple hours and it looks like we might be charged and ready to go. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to put this clarifying agent inside of your Beatbot. If you look in these directions, you got to open the top cover of the robot, take out the clarifying agent kit and remove the cap. You got to tear off the aluminum film on the interface of the kit, and then you've got to install the kit into the robot with the interface facing downwards and press it until you hear a click. All right, that shouldn't be too hard, right? All right, so I'm going to take it off of the charger and I'm just going to set it down like this. And you can see as soon as I moved it, the green popped up, so that tells me it's fully charged. But I want to undo this. I don't want to leave this. Now, supposedly these don't engage until they're pressed back, but just in case, let's unplug it, right? Well, we should leave it in. So let's do that. Now we've got to do the clarifying agent. So that's our next move, right? So apparently in here is where that goes. Apparently right in here is where these go. And you can see the spot where the head smushes in there, and you just got to click it in there. You can see there's a little blue light there. So that's where it goes. And so what we've got to do is we've got to get the plastic off of this, and we're going to put it in there. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at see what this says. So this naturally clarifies cloudy water, effectively eliminates scum, compatible with all sanitizers, reduces the presence of excessive metals, and boosts the efficiency of the salt generators. To ensure optimal clarification results, it is recommended to use the clarifying agent within 30 days upon tearing off the aluminum film on the interface of the kit. Due to the varying environmental conditions during each use, slight variations in application of the agent may occur. Please be aware that there could be some residue in the kit. All right, storage and disposal. To ensure optimal performance, store the clarifying agent in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place away from children, direct heat, and strong light. Emergency contact information. Please keep the clarifying agent out of the reach of children. In case of emergency, make sure you have a product container or label with you when you contact the Poison Control Center. Immediate assistance. And please feel free to contact us. They got a phone number. And that's got all the other information. It's made in China. So anyway, we got to get this open, right? So let's go ahead and rip it up. And I don't know if that's stuck on the side of it or what. We'll find out. So I got to get, oops, there it goes. I already popped the cap off by accident. All right, so this is on there like that, right? You follow me? So that's the way that is, right? So you got to pop that cap off, number one. All right, and I do believe it doesn't look like it makes a difference which way you push this in. I know we just got to push it in though, because everything looks the same on it, right? So I guess we just smush it in. Now once I pull this off, I got to get that in there. So let's go ahead. Let's open up this. All right. So now we're going to take this lid off of here. And I'm just going to turn this over and smush it down in there. Yeah, we have to peel that off. Okay, so you do have to take off the aluminum. So let's go ahead and do that. And I don't think any of the juice will come out because I think that it has to get punctured. You follow me? I think that it has to be punctured. There we go, yeah. So the way it works is you see that little thing right there? That is going to poke a hole in it. All right, let me just set that there for a second. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So you see that hole right there? That's going to pop that out when I shove that in there. And I'm looking at it, and it doesn't seem to make a difference on which side we smush it down in. So I think we can just push it right down in there. So all it shows is that we've got to grab it by this part here and then push it down in like this. I'm just going to keep that like that. Just like that. And I got to push it until it snaps. Okay, so that should be it, right? That should be all we need to do. And then we just close that and it's ready to go. I think we're ready to go. This is just the floor. This is the floor and the walls, and this is the whole kit and caboodle. And I guess we could just take this off now. This notice, if I can get it. There we go. So this will make it a little bit cleaner looking. And maybe we'll save this. All right, so now we're ready to rock. We're ready to party like it's 1995. Now I'm gonna pick it up, I'm gonna take it outside. We're gonna go ahead and get her started, and we're gonna throw her in the pool and see what happens.